CatsGarden&Kettle friends. It has been raining almost non-stop for these past days. Please listen how soggy. I have to be very careful. One bad footing and I can get seriously hurt. So the birdies told me, as they always do, that there's an opening. So I just came here to check on things, and I forgot about that pepper. So we're gonna go get that. Where's the birdie? Let's see if I can get the birdie. Hey, birdie. Oh, one of the lavenders I put is still alive. Oh, and I don't know how you're alive, but thank you. So let's go get the pepper. See, this is what happens when you forget about things or you can't come to the garden. Somebody already started eating my pepper, but that's okay. And I broke a whole lot more than I had to, but it's time to prune this and let it be. This one is it okay? Okay, this one is not eaten, so we'll leave this here. Please don't eat my pepper. Snailies, you have food elsewhere. Okay, a pepper in January. Slightly eaten, but still pretty good. There are some of the first fava bean flowers. I wonder if... I was here yesterday and I started to clean the garden bed. I wonder if I love fava beans. And the flowers, I love the flowers. Hello. What do you want? No, no kitty. No, no, no. Such a nice kitty. And I will see you next fall. Bye bye.